Hello everyone and welcome back to the Millionaire House. My name is Melanie and I'm super excited today because as a part of the fall series I've been sharing some of my favorite crockpot recipes, but this is actually one of my husband's favorites too, and it's really easy to make. Today I am crocking corned beef and cabbage. It's delicious, it's fresh, and your family's gonna love you. Stay tuned. This is one of those recipes that will require a little bit of extra time for chopping, so maybe like on a Sunday morning when you're having your coffee before you go to church, or on a Saturday, just give yourself a little time for the extra vegetable chopping. Start by quartering about 10 baby red potatoes, and you don't need to peel them. Next, chop one onion into large bite-sized pieces. Next, you'll chop about a half a head of cabbage, or more if you like more cabbage. But you're gonna chop it up and then you're actually gonna put that in a bag and put it away in the fridge because you're not gonna use it until later. And now it's time to get crocking. So first I add the potatoes in the bottom of the crock pot, followed by the onions that we chopped up. After that, you'll want to add about 2 cups of matchstick carrots. Next, you'll want to add in about 4 cups of water. And finally, add your 4-pound corned beef brisket. Once that's in the crock pot, pour about 6 ounces of beer over everything. I like to use the Guinness Stout, but really any beer will be fine. Once you're done with that, the corned beef will usually come with a package of seasoning. Go ahead and sprinkle that over the top and rub it into the meat really well, and then put your lid on and prepare for greatness. Next, you're gonna cover the brisket and crock your meal on high for about 7 hours total. But about an hour before it's done, you are going to open it up. It's gonna smell wonderful. And you're gonna add your cabbage in and sink it in really well. Put your lid back on and go ahead and let it finish crocking. And that's really it, you guys. It's most of the prep work is in the chopping, but then obviously the crock pot does the rest of the work and it tastes amazing. Once your crock pot is done crocking, go ahead and slice up your corned beef. It's nice and tender and so flavorful. By the way, before this video is over, I wanted to mention a lot of you have lots of questions about the All Clad slow cooker that I use in this video. I've talked about it several times in the past, but I will put some information in the description box below for you. Serve it up maybe with some sourdough bread or some cornbread and enjoy. Until next time, love and peace. At the Millionaire.